guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to style a pair of white jeans in 10 different ways. I know how bad the COVID situation is right now, and I really hope and pray that all of you stay safe and healthy and everything gets back to normal very soon. Also guys, vaccination is very important. Go get yourself vaccinated whenever you have the chance. I recently got done with my second dose of COVID vaccine. There were some side effects like mild fever, headache, body chills for a couple of days, but they were short-lived and I'm feeling completely healthy and fine now. Now with so much stress and anxiety all around us, I thought to bring about a little happy distraction with some fashion therapy, as always. So today I'm going to create around 10 different outfits using one pair of white jeans. Now white jeans has a hard to pull off reputation, but if styled correctly it can look very chic, classy and effortless. It's also seasonless. You can wear it any time of the year. I had made a video around 2 years back on how to style a pair of white jeans for winters, but today I'm going to show you different ways to style white jeans for spring and summers. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button, you know the drill. And yeah, let's get started. One of my favorite ways to wear white jeans year-round is by pairing them with neutrals. Earthy tones always look classic. So for this look, I wore a brown leather cami top for some edge, a brown belt, and then threw on a neutral blazer on top. The key here is mixing textures and shades of earthy tones and then balancing it out with some accessories. So I paired it with these animal print pumps for some texture and completed the look with a brown fedora hat, golden earrings, and a brown bag. I love how all these shades of browns are complementing each other and making this outfit edgy yet classy. Who's white's best friend? White. You can't beat the clean and streamlined look of a white on white outfit. So here I paired my jeans with a white t-shirt which has this very cute red heart embroidery for a pop of color. I like to either tuck in my tees or tie them in a front knot like this. You can even use a plain white tee or shirt if you want. Also, accessories are very important to elevate an outfit. So I wrapped a silk bandana around my head for some retro vibes and completed the look with a golden layered neck piece, round sunnies, the super cute blue bag and white kitten heel sandals. Pairing your white jeans with a one-piece swimsuit can be a very good hack during summer months, especially when a trip to the beach or a pool can be made at the last minute on a whim. I love how these colorful stripes are popping against my white denims. You can also tie a denim jacket around your waist to make the outfit a little more put together and to keep it handy for chilly evenings at the beach. I'm completing the look with the same blue bag and these gorgeous sunglasses from a brand called TIJN. They have an amazing collection of glasses and I'm in love with these ones. I'm also wearing these neon slides for an added pop of color and rolling up my jeans a little to crop the length. I think it's a very fun daytime look. And by just taking off your jeans, you're all set to take a dip. Bohemian looks are my all-time favorite, and here's one that I created using white jeans. I simply paired my jeans with an olive green cami crop top and then threw on the super pretty and flowy floral kimono on top. The key to creating any boho look is in accessorizing. So I used this chunky oxidized neck piece, earrings, and then completed the look with a belt, a straw bag, and these embroidered chappals. Easy, breezy, and summery. White pairs really well with soft pastels for spring and summers. So for this look, I picked this super cute tie front crop top from a quad set. I love the combination of pastel greens and yellows with white. And the vintage vibes these long and flary sleeves are giving to the whole outfit. I completed the look with a brown belt, my favorite yellow handbag, some gold jewelry, and this dusty green headband for a feminine touch. For footwear, I picked these camel loafers which are super comfy yet chic. I call this my candy girl outfit.
Another cute way to style white jeans for summers can be by wearing them with a scarf top. The scarf that I picked has this very pretty floral and butterfly print, and I love the color. I've tied the scarf in a halter style top. You can check out my video on different ways to wear scarf as a top linked up here. I'm also carrying this beautiful statement handbag that I absolutely love, and a super cute purple hat that is literally taking the whole look to another level. Finishing off the outfit with some quirky earrings and flat summer sandals. I am in love with this outfit. I think nothing screams more chic and classy than a good trench coat, and styling it with a pair of white jeans can surely turn some heads. For this look, I first paired my jeans with a black bralette, black belt, and then threw on the super chic log trench coat in lilac color. Trench coats are such a classic wardrobe staple, and I love the gorgeous puff sleeves this one has. Since pinks and purples go really well with reds, I'm using this red crossbody bag and red pumps to add some color to the outfit. And finally, these gorgeous sunnies again from TIJN to elevate the whole look. Now let's come to the timeless combination of black and white. Pair your white jeans with a black leather jacket and black boots for an outfit that's edgy yet transcends seasons and trends. Black and white outfits can sometimes come across as boring, so I've layered this black lace bralette under the jacket to add some texture and a black fedora hat to amp up the look. Also completed the outfit with a black belt and this cute handbag. I love how chic this look turned out. Now take off your hat and replace the leather jacket with a fancier statement jacket for a glam look. I love this jacquard crop blazer with a floral pattern and statement sleeves. You can wear any fancy jacket or blazer that you have. Now with this, I've also changed the accessories, like now I'm using a thinner belt, black pumps and a different handbag to go with the look. But the lace bralette remains the same. This I think is such a gorgeous look which is modern, sophisticated yet glam. Lastly, we again come to the classic black and white combination, but this time with a twist. Try pairing your white jeans with a mesh or sheer dress for a look that's fashion forward and experimental. I'm wearing the super trendy black sheer dress with polka dots that I always keep experimenting with. Layer a bralette underneath, a nice broad belt, and then I completed the look with black pumps and a big tan handbag for a pop of color. This I feel is such a beautiful street style kind of look that is sure to get you tons of compliments.
And guys, that's a wrap. White jeans is definitely one of my favorite wardrobe staples. I had also included it in my list of top must-have jeans video, along with some things to be kept in mind while buying it. I will link it up here. You should totally check that out. So these were just some of the ways to rock your white jeans effortlessly. However, you can get as creative as you want to be and experiment with your wardrobe because fashion has no rules and the key is to be comfortable in whatever you wear. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. Also, please let me know in the comment section below which out of all these looks was your favorite, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you later. Bye.